trigonometry basics aliu lamna rame keme class 10 ga mark phangui to go subject khale chidi aliu basics si ma ba penga sna aliu mark hai se phangui kra pe chapter ga aliu mark phang tam mi ge sina tai ne aliu trigonometry basics ka thya aliu kam ge khadi habo formula ram hai ja aliu sia ne technique sia in point ja jan ni ku ga sia thyu kai ne aliu trigonometry hai chen dega nuang lo che sai first and foremost hai si Greek words le Greek words somnya khat thu ja tri ko pa go words le de din lo cha try kadi gon kadi metron ju be like in try che sai 3 norm che sai size kadi metron che sai measures ju be sin trigonometry hai sara okay sum thu ba to madat bo la think piu hai te trigonometry ju be this aliu trigonometry thimitinga mainly right angle triangle hai ja aliu thina we dewu kam any triangle hai ja right angle triangle ga convert thingam sai sui ju right angle triangle hai ja aliu basic to the think piu ba sigasna aliu hai bo trigonometry ga identity chrogo message ra sin cos tan cot sec cosec hai si de ja ham nungu formula masa ham nungu relation aliu sira len jainga sna aliu technique tam ba me english la gan the next na number 1 english logo version na some person has curly brown hairs done perfectly black ju hai gan de khasiam re thimpil the sign go relation hai ja li pa pale to ja ali hai consider thura len jengas ne let us consider this angle a ja angle a consider to ke b hai ja right angle triangle mi ne to sa right angle ga ali ne sira angle go ma song la ma sa opposite lang ka ba ma hai ti si opposite side mak side perpendicular yes perpendicular ju ko rawe or b ja khadi angle a to thliuk ba bo line height the sin de kuralo to side base or adjacent ju ko rawe sigas ne triangle ga thing thu bo line height is hypotenuse ja Pythagoras theorem ga di hai ja lu kai meng si mi we height denoted by h height denoted by b ja this is some person has curly brown hair turned perfectly black so some has ne sin to sin theta equal to persons ne perpendicular by h new hypotenuse that is at view this which is equal to perpendicular is bc divided by ac to chudi I see we chudi khat bam khai ram dong ra hati din ne Pandit bole prasad har bole ja hai ga na think you that the aliu have value hai people first ga aliu sign consider to nature sra sign go identity consider to nature first ga hai na pa ra that means sign equal to Pandit by p by h ja p by h cos go consider to the next ga have as a consider to now that is cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse ja I got dini cos curly is ne c na ka cos pe me brown new beige h new hypotenuse haje ja de mark sham ka me senior bc ren de lo to side base new ab divided by hypotenuse AC ja sigan turn perfectly black so turn ne 10 hoy parabo ja or haga consider to 10 has a thar 10 ne consider to about 10 equal to p by b perfectly gane p black gane b equal to p new bc b new av this is a pure new Sigazina quite mli go mo cot sec cosec go fi palan ni sera have size sera ta you have formula palan ra ni te have follow chu sera code go fi palan ni sera ha se hala conclusion dia chu pa pa go ra chu pamlan na bo ya pamlan na bo khadi have value ni khoi mlan kham ra bo khoi ka dat ma ra bo sai code go fi ni sai cot theta equal to b by b. This is equal to AB divided by perpendicular is BC. So guys, sec gu value filani sra lam pamlan dinga hypotenuse nila kamla h by b is equal to h ne devo which is a hypotenuse AC divided by b base ne AB. Sigas new cosec gu cosec theta equal to has a quadrate rabo ach pamla mon quadrate rabo it is hypotenuse by b hypotenuse ne AC divided by b ni perpendicular that is BC. This I have logic themating I have sin go cos tan cot sec cosec go value has a mala pa da li si lu ye simya aliu hakumbo monster hakumbo has a aliu timpu lu na formula ra mai se aliu p ga khai la e ja I have basic first ga din ha ra trigonometry go formula hai loim khai isne kamali be sila ne che sai de chlan ra technical and new first ga hexagonal hexagonal figure ka draw to lo hexagonal means 6 figure 6 sided figure you know to draw to lo in have a corner sort of 1 2 3 4 5 6 sides a sign from here please because in sin theta come lo agani cos agani tan I got new cot, I got new sec, cosec. Hati gap na. Ni hati gap pinga tu de manga. Ani sera jasi tam sera just remember that. Aba maza lam jai hi se si ne kaho identity hi chora bo. Aba left hand side lam se kamali bo identity chora bo. Set hoira. Hagas na ni de people the first let us and sign people relationship as in how sin theta equal to hagane digit filan or just a mass on to pewter of quasar. That's a part of this is sin theta equal to the combo cos theta divided by cot theta. This should be cos filan is cos theta equal to have mass on the cot theta divided by cosec theta. Cosec theta. Sigas new 10 go filan is tan theta equal to 10 mass on the devon sin and cos. So sin theta upon cos theta. This is a formula if you do. I have a formula has some zima malo. This is a new proof to Nisa. First, cos theta. I consider to have identity. It's like cos theta equal to cot theta divided by cosec theta. It's like close the first cot theta and delo side base by perpendicular. Have a cot base by perpendicular cosec and delo side hypotenuse by perpendicular. Hypotenuse by perpendicular. Has in this b into p divided by h. This I have a cancel out thing. Cos theta equal to b by h. Close cos theta go anu proof you thing na curly brown here to ja curl cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse this has proof to me ba jisra cot theta cos theta has cot theta upon cosec theta this is ye ja bi shi ra ba jina has logic khade have ba jisra next ga have kamli no hai ran li ro na ja kamli lo practice to marks ra match ra kamban speak bahar thu pinra wa tangla bi sin kamli sa kamlo next ga inverse identity pupilani sra isla na lo bisra inverse identity purana ha ka se line ha ja pogo opposite da draw thino has la thu ba technique de no science class ba me bam da ha se mungai su ta ne chine inverse identity purani sra de che purana ba sra sin theta to hoira hat pa mane chidi pogo opposite lam ne na sin theta go opposite de go bam no che inverse is cosec de sra 1 by cosec theta has new inverse ratio de has para pogo opposite ga sigas new cos go filani sra cos go opposite de ba sec theta is 1 by sec theta जरा दे ऐसी दे सिकुम जो 10 गुरा 10 को opposite के देबम मोजरा cot theta so 1 by cot theta is the inverse the have the figure गाने मला पा ने बाहर ठंगा में तो दे न लियो ना cosec को फ्यू पाने जैसा cosec opposite के देबम 1 by sin theta so cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta the inverse ratio identity hai de ha mala pa de phi ngam me ha ji technique ha de ha go figure ha je prati we ji in ning ye sin ha go figure ha jam na ne next ga identity in ratio filani jisra ratio filani je ha pugu degree no ratio je pugu have opposite la pugu line la pure jisra kwani sin theta I say alu degree का pure jisra sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta so la na bo ja tan theta ra tan theta has degree का de tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta aga theta jab han de to degree do ino aga 45 bam na ka 45 ra ka 30 ra ka 30 ra cha gan sec theta equal to cosec theta 90 minus theta I mean cosec ra na ka theta jam ma ra theta cha sikum ju high level value feedback ma cos theta go pune cha cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta one na cot theta equal to 90 tan 90 minus theta one na has a inverse to what ra hai ga di technique kha de ga ne si kalan su su hai di important thi bo value hai sina hai di kamli chen ni practice kamlo hai se important thi ra ba side di next ga identities sine de che phula na bo sa to hwai ra ali ha bu identify ha bu figure ha se consider ti mane ha do triangle ha consider ti mane ha consider ti mane ja zidu zinyo to hwai ra ha ja ha ta ra ba ka ne ja ka so 1 hello this one in isla na bo this one sin square theta sin square theta plus ha clockwise tasra plus rawa anti clockwise tasra minus rawa ja sinyo sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 ja sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 rawa hai di important sigani khara ka anti clockwise lam ding de wala rawa fitinga 1 or clockwise plus cot square theta equal to debu bamba cosec theta cosec square theta so namra ba and hagadi clockwise molan dingo fini ni molan dinga tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta hagase e plus 5 am the you can use clockwise to the mind anti clockwise balance this one namra sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta ja this one namra so clockwise anti clockwise as one line to fill ni anti clockwise minus to which is my minus the gonna how was sec gonna how was so you sec square theta anti clockwise as minus 1 equal to tan square theta hai gan ta you la pa si lu bi ni tan square theta equal to have 1 ja right hand side lam transfer to kan plus minus for me 1 minus for me ja bi bo sinya hai anti clockwise lens ra hai minus hai ga de anti clockwise on minus amra bo cos hai ja 1 minus cosec theta equal to cot square theta ja hai ga de anti clockwise on the 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta ja aga jini sin square theta phipanis is ni aga ja akane anti clockwise one thing plan ni sin square anti clockwise minus ja so sin square minus has hala from 1 minus 1 right equal to sin square theta minus 1 equal to cos square theta so amra Sina have anti clockwise test minus no clockwise test plus one. I did the important formula khale I did my money. The side tiny I sinu I swilu sunit is a meaning. Chigan is comely go bamkaza comment section of the hello. So I inside geometric geometric identities we go value ja geometric I mean trigonometric identities in degree go value ramai ja difficult na kane si ka di technique kam la bo just for nugo finger new gane si ko sui bo technique go me si so ne kti khala ne thane ra ha ka si video sulu ne agu channel to support you guys ko ba mai do hadi encourage to khai ba mai dom chu to thank you have trigonometry lesson hai se ayo nam poi pium nom de pli nam nom da pi le ja youtube ka channel se ja pi practice kam khalo ina hai je kam go bam hai se lockdown ba me pe nga sinya class lu la bam da de se ja youtube ga ne si san lo se ja kam khai ba chu to thank you